Have you ever tried torrijas? Torrija is a traditional Spanish dessert similar to a French toast that we eat during Semana Santa, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make them at home in less than 30 minutes. The ingredients to make torrijas are 4 cups of milk, 1 loaf of bread bought the day before so it's a little bit hard and stale, 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of white sugar, half a cup of ground cinnamon, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 orange, 1 lemon, 3 eggs, and some flour or olive oil. First, you have to mix the 4 cups of milk with 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, and the peel of a lemon and an orange. Then heat the mixture until it boils. When it boils, transfer the milk to another container and let it cool. While the milk rests, cut the bread in diagonal slices around 1 inch wide and place them in a deep tray. When the milk has cooled down, soak each slice of bread in it. Not everyone does this, but I like to pour the milk left on the tray so the torrijas are even more soaked. Now we're gonna fry the torrijas. Prepare a plate with 3 beaten eggs and dip the sliced bread in the beaten egg mixture. Then put them in a frying pan with hot oil. I used sunflower oil. When the torrija gets golden brown, take it out of the pan and leave it on a paper towel. On a plate, mix 1 cup of white sugar and half a cup of ground cinnamon. Then you have to coat both sides of the torrija with it, like I show on this video. And finally, your torrija is ready to eat!